Okay, for this assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to use Google Sheets to create a paycheck calculator. So you're going to make Google do the math for you, so you don't have to do math. So to do this, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to go to sheets.google.com. Once you go to this sheets.google.com, you have lots of options. What you want is just to create a blank spreadsheet. So you're just going to hit the blank spreadsheet and you will get something that looks like this. Now, what I'm going to show you next is your mission. What you want to end up with is something of this format. You need to have a place for the gross pay. To make this overly simplified, we're going to just deal with taxes because those are the things you have to pay that have to come out of your check no matter what. You're going to list your federal income tax, state income tax, and Social Security, Medicare. So you're going to have 3 places for deductions. You have the column where all your math is happening. You have a column over here to list your percentages. Now, this box right here is not a formula. You're just going to type in your gross monthly pay. The rest of these boxes over here on the left, those 4 boxes will all be a formula that you type in. Let me help you get started. To format this, what I would say is click on your C column over here, and what you want is you want to make sure that this is a percent. So these buttons will probably be over here on the right. They won't be hiding from you because you'll be full screen, but you want to format that as a percent. You want to click on your A column over here. You want to format that as currency, so hit your $sign. That'll get you formatted. Now your mission is to be able to do this. You type in what your gross monthly pay is, all these numbers change. And they all change appropriately. Now, my advice to you to make sure that you've done all your calculation right, what I would say as your gross pay, the easiest thing to do would be to put in $100 and then check your math. If this is 25%, 25% of 100 should be $25, right? If this is 4%, it should be $4. 100 is pretty easy to take a look at and make sure you got the right numbers. But also, you want to rig this up appropriately, because what if the government decides to take out 30% of your check? If they take out 30% of your check, changing these numbers makes those numbers over there change, makes everything change. So these 4 boxes right here are all formulas that change depending on this input and that input. Once you're done with that, you're just going to upload your paycheck calculator and turn it in on Canvas.